Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Versatilion. So the best low budget businesses are 1. Party service. One of the most lucrative ventures one may launch with some fundamental management and marketing abilities is a party service business. In the USA, there is a huge need for the party service industry, where you may also provide services like catering, flower arrangements, decorations, seating arrangements, photography, DJs, and more. 2. Sell personalized products. You might think about beginning a personalized product business if you have the ability to manufacture customized products. This involves crafting gift baskets, candles, specialty soaps, cakes, and more. It also covers crocheting, glass etching, scrapbooking, and other crafts. 3. Property management. If you reside in an area where there are a lot of absentee property owners, you can launch your own property management company. The owner's absence will leave you in charge of watching over and maintaining such properties. In addition to maintenance, you must be concerned with the various property taxes that must be paid on time. 4. Recycling pickup. One of the most lucrative small business prospects in the US is recycling pickup. Any recyclable material, from e-waste to any garbage, can be included in your product category. You can launch this firm with entirely recyclable products or in a certain market. 5. Smartphone repairing. The global smartphone industry is expanding quickly, which presents a great opportunity for beginning a smartphone repair business. It's not difficult to launch this business. The right knowledge and abilities are required. 6. Finance consulting. Numerous distinct financial services are included in finance consulting. Anyone can start this business from home if they have the necessary skills and information. In the USA, it encompasses a wide range of services, such as insurance, financial planning, tax advice, bookkeeping, business consulting, collection services, and expense reduction analyses.